This is a quick video to show you how to use the new Southwest Airlines digital free drink coupons. These coupons have changed a lot over the years. When I joined the program more than 30 years ago, they handed you a pamphlet with squares. You stuck an actual lickable stamp in the square so you could trade it for a free flight anywhere. They also mailed you a booklet of 10 coupons that you could trade for free drinks in flight. Since that time, these paper drink coupons have taken on a lot of different forms. I accumulated a ton of these because they didn't expire for 6 months. I fly a ton, and I'm always working in flight on my laptop, which leaves me no room to set a drink. I just get a can of water and toss it in my backpack so I can keep the tray table free. And now I have a stockpile of aluminum canned water for the zombie apocalypse. But even if you don't get to use these drinks on yourself, it's really fun to give free drinks to the people around you. Nothing lightens up the tension of cramped air travel like someone gifting you a $9 margarita. And they recently got rid of all their plastic cups in favor of bamboo and recycled paper with wood swizzle sticks, so you won't even feel guilty about your trash while you're being kind to your fellow traveler. As of this year, however, the paper drink coupons are gone, and the old ones aren't honored because they have a completely paperless cabin now. Doing away with paper entirely has caused a lot of changes in how the program works. So how do you get one of these valuable digital coupons? Well, for the most part, the drink coupons are limited to the Southwest Airlines Rapid Rewards Frequent Flyer Program members. If you have A-List preferred status, you automatically get 2 drink coupons on each leg of your flight, meaning you have a total of 4 drink coupons that day if you have a connecting flight. If you don't have A-List preferred status with Southwest, you can always buy Southwest's most expensive Business Select ticket and you do get 1 drink. And of course, if you buy a Business Select ticket and you have A-List preferred status, you still get 2 drinks, not 1. Unlike the paper coupons, these coupons are specific to the flight leg for that boarding pass. They expire when the plane's wheels touch the ground. You won't be able to save your coupons from the first flight leg and give away 4 drinks on the second leg. If you're a regular A-lister, not preferred, sorry, no drink for you. And if you're just a peasant among the Southwest royalty, you probably bought a wanna get away ticket and saved enough money to buy your own drink, which is still not a bad deal because they're about the same price as a restaurant and about half what you'd pay inside an airport. But there's still hope. If you can schedule your flight on one of the 4 Southwest party days, everybody gets free drinks. Also, if Southwest is the reason that your flight is delayed, many times the flight attendants will give free drinks to anyone who asks. However, all this falls apart and there are no drinks for anyone if you take a flight that's less than 250 miles or if there is flight turbulence during the phase of flight when the drink should be served. If drink service is now paperless, how do you find these precious digital drink coupons? You find them on your boarding pass, but only if you use the Southwest app. If you're still using your trustworthy paper boarding pass to get on the plane, like me, there's nothing on that printed ticket that verifies for the flight crew that you're entitled to free drinks. So you'll still need to get your digital boarding pass on the app, and you're going to want to do so before the flight takes off, while your phone still has cellular service. Then leave the app open or take a screenshot of the boarding pass. If you wait until the flight attendant asks for your drink order, then try to load your digital boarding pass, you may find out you can't get it on the unreliable Wi-Fi, or you're on a flight to Hawaii, or anyone that takes you over open water where there's no Wi-Fi service. Then there's no drinks for you. While you're still on the ground, open the Southwest app, view your boarding details, open your boarding pass, and right below the QR code that could have gotten you onto the flight, you'll find your 2 free drink coupons. All you have to do now is show your phone screen to the flight attendant at the time that you order so they know you have the coupons. Later in the flight, when they come around to collect payment for everyone's drinks, they'll use their tablet camera to scan the QR code on your phone and it will show them that you have 2 drink credits. I hope that explains how the new Southwest free drink coupon system works. Thanks a lot for watching.